What's going on, guys? It's your boy Deven here from Booster Daily. Hey guys, so today's video is basically about how we're trying to put out videos, right? But right now it's just not happening. We're trying to get as many things on our plate as possible, but in our personal lives right now we have a lot going on as well. So essentially Cam and I, we have totally different work schedules, like we're just complete opposite. So we try and stay in contact with one another and keep updated on ideas. Sometimes it doesn't work, sometimes it works, but we're getting there. But today's video is really quick. Like I said, it's just a quick one. Cam doesn't even know I'm putting it out. But we're always craving suggestions or anything that you guys have possible. So make sure you put down whatever you want to see down in the comments, and we're just so happy to have you guys watching Boosted Daily. Thank you so much, and stay motivated, stay boosted. So I was going back over editing this video, and I just realized I totally forgot to mention, things will be totally back to normal pretty soon. We'll be uploading very regularly, and it'll all be okay. Thank you again. Have a great day.